Hey, happy day, people. Happy Friday. So today I'm going to go through how you can connect Excel to an Outlook folder to capture that data and bring it into an Excel uh, table. You can also do this since we'll be using Power Query. You can also do this with Power BI. Surprisingly enough, um, at work I've ran into this quite a bit recently where we've had teams they've actually worked with like our enterprise IT team, and they're like, oh, you just can't get that data. They needed counts out of their Outlook, but it was just people didn't know what they didn't know. Our team, I'm a more of a vertical analytical team, so I work within a group of businesses or departments within the company. We do this all the time. So when they came to our team, I was like, yeah, sure, that's pretty easy. Let's just use Power Query. And they're like, whoa, you can do that? And they're just looking for counts out of their Outlook. So it was a quick fix. So again, let's go. I'll show you how to capture your Outlook data directly in Excel. So I'm going to create the connection. One thing to do though is I actually struggled a little bit with this morning. You have to make sure your account is the same one that you're going to be connecting to. I have multiple accounts, so I was connecting to the wrong one and just wasn't working. It was throwing me off this morning. Make sure your Excel is signed in as the same Outlook that you're going to be grabbing. So that's a big must there. So the first thing is on the Excel ribbon, I'm gonna go to data, and then I'm gonna go to get data, and then I'm gonna do it from online services, and then I'm gonna do it from the Microsoft Exchange. And then I can type in my email. And here we go. So we have the connection, and you can grab a lot of cool things. So if you have a calendar that you want to grab, you can bring that across. Your mail, meeting requests, people, tasks, all that good stuff. So we'll just kind of load, actually I'll do transform here. And then you have your folder path. So if you wanted to target a specific folder, you can certainly do that. Um, and then you can transform the data. There's a lot of metadata probably in here that you don't need. So I just suggest explore that. I'm not going to go into detail with that. And then all you have to do is load it. Um, Bada bing, bada boom, you have your data in either Excel, or if you want to put this in Power BI for reporting, you can certainly do that. If you wanted to get more complex, you could store this. I think one thing I came across is like uh, you can see when items are sent, but not necessarily if they're moving them to different folders. So like when did that get completed? If you're looking for like a create and a complete date, you could potentially create like a pipeline that stores that data, but you need a different system to kind of help you with like the storage and things like that. So maybe a few other things that you could do with this. But very quick video today. Again, if you're working with Outlook and Excel and you want some of those counts, easy counts off those Outlook folders, this is the way to go. All right, have a great day, people. Talk to you later. Bye.